Hello folks on YouTube, and welcome to today's quick unboxing that has no other purpose than to show you what is inside this box. There is a seal here and we break the seal. Inside there we find a styrofoam box that is quite nice, so we'll keep it for transport. We flip open the small lock and open the styrofoam box. Inside we find a Manfrotto-like mounting plate, a USB charger and a box full of accessories. There is a tripod attachment. We have the battery grip itself that is of very good quality. And here is the gimbal unit itself, also very high quality. As always, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.